When I put my hair in a ponytail, I'm always doing it. We use 2 different ponytail holders. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I am in here getting ready to put my hair in a ponytail. It has been looking good from this braid out. The braid out is still there. I have to go into the salon. So today I said I was going to try to put my hair in a ponytail. Before I do that, thank you to my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support, for your comments, your likes, and your shares. I want you to keep them coming because I really appreciate them. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on, join the G&G family. I appreciate everyone that is a part of this family. I really do. I appreciate you so much. And now let's get back to this. When I put my hair in a ponytail, I'm always doing it using 2 different ponytail holders, unless I'm using like one of those scrunchies and the scrunchie does not hold it like firm, but I like it anyway. Well, one day I was looking at the comment section of one of my videos and I saw that somebody suggested the Adjustabands, and I think the person's name was Janelle. I couldn't respond or reply to the comment. I don't know why. If you have ever had that issue where someone comments on your video but then you just could not reply to it, let me know. I can never thank Janelle for her comment. And I just did a little bit of research on the Adjustabands. It just so happens that the owner and creator of Adjustabands is in North Charleston, South Carolina, about 70 miles up the road from me. And the business is Black owned. And I decided that I was going to try it. I decided to order. I ordered 4 of the Adjustabands, and inside of the envelope, because it just came in an envelope just like this, and was the card, Adjustaband. And I ordered 4 different colors, and I ordered large. I don't know if I ordered the perfect size for my hair or not, and we're going to see now. I am going to use the black one. So I'm going to take it out. It comes in this little thing like this. It's easy to pop off and pull it off like that. It's just what it says. It's an adjustable band, and it even looks like a belt, but it has this, it goes through like this, and I'm not going to take it apart because I have an idea of how I am going to put it on. So I'm just going to pull it out like this and pull this section, and now you see that it's bigger. And it is adjustable like that. And I think that's big enough for my hair. That's the large. It goes through these two D-rings, and it has a tip which makes it stay where it's supposed to be. So now I am going to go ahead and, oh, I noticed these little things that looks like little belt hooks there. So I think I'm going to slide. I can slide it, I think. No, they're just there. I think that when I start adjusting, once I get it on my ponytail, then I can slide this under one of these. And I hope it's easy to do, because I don't just want it to hold. I want it to be easy to work with as well. And I'm going to try to do a side ponytail. I'm going to put this part under the bottom. And it's in there. And it's snug. And I'm pulling it a little bit because it has a little bit more give, and I can pull it. And I really like that. So all I'm going to do now is tuck it under that little end tip. And there it is. There's my side ponytail, guys. Yeah, it's done. But now I'm going to put this here to make it look like I really needed this, but I don't. That's just me. And my hair is done, and I've used the Adjustabands to do this one ponytail. And I'm going to wear this today. It's Friday. I think it works for me. I may spray some water on this side and just whatever. I'm ready to go. It's good to go. Yes, Adjustabands. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He's been better to me than I've been to myself. And I thank Him for His blessings, His goodness, and His mercies that are new every day. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. I almost forgot my 360. Yes. Here's my 360.